you all so much for coming out to hear new tango. We are Arco Aire. My name is Maxfield Wollam-Fisher. And this is Heyni Solera. Huge thank you to Jake, who we've worked with before on sound, so it's wonderful to see a friendly face. Thank you. And of course, yes, Jake. Of course, to everyone here working in the gallery behind the bar and around to make this such an awesome space. And to the festival, to Folk and Roots Festival, for putting together such an interesting group of musicians. We're looking forward to hearing everyone else this weekend. And of course, to the tango community here in Champaign, Urbana, and the musicians here, and the musicians who come here to participate in this really uniquely special place, certainly in the country and in the world. So, thank you. The last tune we have here is a piece by a violinist named Ramiro Gallo.
She's super excited.
Sorry, I love this piece. That's all.
It's called Idioma del Bosque, the language of the forest. Do you want to say more about that? Okay. We're going to play it now. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.